Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to Anyone Can Hustle. My name is Nick Madrano, and this is the channel dedicated to making you money, helping you with finances, and getting business done. Today we're going to talk about Mercari. For those who don't know, Mercari is the buy and sell app. It was originally made in 2013. Their headquarters is Tokyo, Japan, and they have an office now in the United States. This is domestically buying and selling. They don't have global yet, unlike eBay where you can buy and sell globally. Right off the bat, I just want to compare it a little bit to eBay. eBay has 182 million global users, while Mercari currently has 20 million downloads in the United States. The audience isn't as big from the start. eBay also does $5 billion in monthly transactions compared to Mercari's $100 million in monthly transactions. That would mean eBay has 50 times as much business going on as Mercari. One of the cons of Mercari is the customer service. There's currently only 100 team members in the US for customer service. It's a lot harder to get in contact with them. I've never had a problem of getting in contact with customer service at eBay. It's usually a 5-minute wait and you're on a phone call with someone. A huge pro about Mercari is the transaction window is a lot shorter than eBay. eBay usually has a 30-day return policy window. Even when an eBay seller has no returns accepted, a buyer can still complain and eBay's customer service will always honor that within those 30 days. Mercari, on the other hand, has a 3-day window. Within those 3 days, the buyer can either leave a review for the seller or not say anything at all. After the 3-day window closes, the buyer is automatically paid and it's in their account. Now, I've been using Mercari for over a year now, and I've made over $1,000 on it. I have a strategy I like to use where I go on Facebook Marketplace, offer up, and let go. I look out for sellers with multiple listings, and I try to group all those listings together and then make them a big cash offer up front. But I need a discount, around 70 to 60% off. So recently I was on Facebook Marketplace. I saw a buyer who had 7 different listings of toys and they wanted $240 for everything together. I messaged them and I said I can offer you $140 in cash within the hour for all of your listings. And they accepted because they were sitting on it for about 2 weeks and they just wanted to get rid of it at that point. I brought all the toys back home, found out what they were actually worth, took pictures of them, uploaded them on Mercari, and within a 2-week span, I sold 6 groups of toys. After fees and shipping, I made $350. Take out my initial cost of $140, that's a $210 profit. Now I'm going to go over how Mercari works. We're going to jump in my phone, we're going to see my store, I'm going to show you every little detail about this app. But before we go in, if this is useful to you at all, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more content like this, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, so we're going to hop in Mercari now. Here's the front page. It has sell and buy divided. My current balance right now is $18.51, $58 in process of getting transferred to me. And I have a little over $1,700 that I've earned throughout my whole entire time on this app. This is just a sell page, what I've sold before, what I currently have for sale, some things in my categories that have sold, and here's the buy page. This just goes over different products people are selling. Now we're going to go over to my home page and look at it from a customer point of view. Here we go. I'm Penguin Products. If you want to come look at my store, buy anything, sell toys and video games, we have 70 reviews, 69 5 stars, 1 4-star unfortunately. Now we're going to get into the selling area. This is some transactions I have in process right now. It's a very clean looking app, very basic colors, just white and purple. This shows that my product is still delivering to the customer. And this is just going over a current order that I have. I still need to pack and ship it out. It just informs you that you need to do this, and then you can click confirm shipment. Here are completed orders that I've already done. All this money's been transferred over to my account. And here are my current listings. So there's a couple different sections in here. Here's the buying section. This just shows anything that I might have bought on this app. It just reminds you of past purchases. And then next is collections. This is more for Funko Pops. Like I said, a lot of younger people are on this app, and Funko Pops is a big product that sells a lot in here. We have a help center, trust and verification. If you want to get verified in this app, you just need to give your phone number, email, and a government ID. It's almost like a Facebook account because you can have followers. They'll be updated every time you post something. I currently have 30 followers. A lot of them usually get in contact with me when I post something in the category that they like to buy in. It goes over my balance. And the balance is really easy. All the money transferred is into the app, and then whenever you're ready, you can transfer it out. You can do instant pay. You have to pay $2 to get it instantly transferred to your bank account, or you can do a direct deposit, and that's free of charge. It'll just take a couple business days once you submit direct deposit. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to sell a product. It's very simple. You click the sell button. I'm going to pull up a draft. These are just Pokemon cards. It's very easy. You put in a title, Pokemon cards, and then what you want to do is just type up the description. Okay, now that the description is done, you want to put 3 hashtags in, so when people look up the product or the item, they'll know what category that it's in. It's going to be a lot easier for the search engine and algorithms to work. Next, you're going to place it in your categories. So trading cards, the brand is Pokemon. This is very easy. The system kind of already knows what you're inputting. The color doesn't really matter. You can really choose any color. It'll have your zip code, wherever you're shipping from. And then it'll say if you want to offer free shipping or not. And why I like this app a lot is the shipping is very easy. They'll send you a prepaid label. All you need to do is put in the item weight, really. You don't really need to put in the size, as long as it's not a crazy huge size. It'll give you the best recommendation of what to ship so that you save it in. And then you're going to set your price, whatever you think would be the best. Here I put $24, and it tells you $17 is your earnings. And now notifications is the bell symbol that just goes over if people want to buy your products or they like your products. If they like your products, they'll track the product and you can promote to them whenever you want. I'm just going to go to a recent order here. We just saw it before, and this is very easy. If you look at the print label for when they send you the shipping label, it shows you right away what it looks like. You just print this out, put it on the package, and then ship it out to whoever, whether it's USPS. You can print right from your phone, since Mercari is usually on your phone, or they send the shipping label to your email as well. So it's very convenient in terms of shipping the product. The last part of this is the messages. What's really unique is any buyer can message you about a specific product and ask questions about it, and then they can offer you. They might offer you 10 to 20% less than what you're asking, and you can probably negotiate within that. Here's like an ideal situation. This person offered me $10 less than what I was selling the lot for, and I accepted her offer. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you're interested in Mercari and you want to sign up, please click the link below. You're going to get an extra $20 after you make your first $100 selling on Mercari. And if you're interested in buying anything on Mercari, you'll get a $10 off on your first order. Of course, I do get a kickback. Appreciate it. If you do want to sign up, clicking the link below. I hope you found this useful. Don't procrastinate. Start today. There's money to be made everywhere you go. Alright, thanks guys.